Once upon a time, in the magical land of Alphabetville, there lived two little friends, Captain C and Kind K. They both made the same sound, k, like in k, cat, k, kite. But guess what? They didn't like stepping on each other's toes. So they made a deal. Captain C said, I will take care of A, O, and U, like in cat, cot, and cup. Kind K said, I will help the tricky ones E, I, and Y, like in kite, key, and kid. From that day on, they worked together perfectly. No more confusion. A happy alphabet family. Moral of the story: C comes before A, O, U, and K comes before I, E, and Y.